Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will talk about some styling mistakes that are pretty common and they can easily be fixed with some adjustments. The reason that I created this video is because I believe every woman can be her own personal stylist. You don't need to spend a lot of money to look put together. Once you know some basics around styling and start using those on your daily style, you instantly feel the difference and gain some confidence. After that, you can inject some new styling rules based on your personal choices and then create your own style. In this video, I will talk about those basics and some common mistakes in styling and how to fix them. Before I start, I just want to say these are my opinion. They might be right or wrong. If you're doing some of these and you feel good about them, just keep doing it. At the end of the day, there are no rules in fashion, and if something makes you happy, just keep doing it. So the first thing that I want to talk about is pairing a cropped jacket with skinny jeans and loafers. As you see, everything in this outfit looks very tight and a little uncomfortable. This style wouldn't be suitable for ladies with wider hips like me, as it's emphasizing on the hips and it just draws attention to that part of the body. To make this look better, I switched my skinny jeans with a wide leg pants and changed my loafers to a pair of sneakers. As you see, this look is more comfortable and modern. My whole body looks more proportional because of the loose fitting pants, and overall the whole outfit looks more elevated. Next is about choosing the right fabrics. In this look, I'm wearing linen pants with chunky boots and a sweater. As you know, linen is a type of fabric that we often wear in summer because it's breathable, and boots and sweater are meant for cooler months. Wearing these together, it just doesn't feel right and it's not clear for what type of weather we are dressing for. On top of that, the color of these boots is too dark for this cream outfit. To fix this, I changed my linen pants to a tailored pair of pants, which is kind of more suitable for all the seasons, so it kind of goes well with my sweater. And for shoes, I went with a beige ankle boots, which the color is in harmony with my sweater and my pants. As you see, the colors are much better in this outfit, and in terms of fabric, everything seems to be more cohesive. Next, I want to talk about wearing the same texture from head to toe. Here I'm wearing leather leggings, leather jacket, and leather boots. To me, this look is too much of leather. It looks very masculine and not flattering at all. There is no contrast in this look. To fix this outfit, I kept the leather pants but switched my shoes to a pair of white trainers and changed my top to white to kind of break the all black outfit, and wore a long wool coat on top. Now here in this outfit, we have a mix of leather, wool, and cotton. We injected some white in this all black outfit, so every piece seems to be working really nice with the other, and also they are shining on their own. This doesn't only apply to leather, it basically applies to all textures. If you wear the same texture from head to toe, it just kind of looks boring and there is no contrast in the look. Next, I'm wearing a knee-length skirt with a classic button shirt. This look is pretty dated and it just kind of reminds me of a work uniform. There is nothing interesting going on and it looks very boring, and the shape of these shoes is not flattering on my feet. To fix this, I changed my shoes to a pointed toe shoes, which is more classic and much nicer and elegant. For skirt, I went with a midi skirt with a slit on the side. The combination of the skirt and shoes make me appear taller, even though the heels of both shoes are the same length, but it just creates an illusion that I look taller in the second one. Next is about pairing boots and skirt. In this look, I'm wearing a midi skirt with ankle boots and a sweater. As you see, there is an awkward length between the skirt and the boots, and it kind of cuts my leg and make me look shorter. And on top, the chunky sweater seems quite bulky on me, and there is no definition of waist in this outfit. To fix this, I changed my boots to a taller boot to remove the gap between the skirt and the boots, and I half tucked my sweater to define my waistline. As you see in the second look, the whole outfit looks more balanced and proportional. I do not look wider or shorter. Everything seems much nicer. For the next look, I'm wearing shorts and sweater and loafers. This outfit looks like having summer and winter in one outfit. The bottom and the top do not match and it just looks very awkward. That doesn't mean you cannot wear shorts in autumn winter. You can definitely do that, but it's all about fabrics and how you style your shorts. The fabric of the shorts shouldn't be too summery. So to fix that, I changed my shorts to a leather shorts because leather seems more appropriate for autumn winter. And also I'm wearing tights to avoid bare legs because we're trying to create a kind of warm outfit and we want everything to work well with each other. And also on top of that, I added a long coat to add more dimension to the outfit. As you see, I'm still wearing shorts, but it's more in harmony with the rest of the outfit. It shows that I have put some thought to create this outfit and it just doesn't feel random and all over the place like the first look. In the last look, I'm wearing slim leg pants, tight turtleneck, and loafers. In this outfit, everything looks very tight and the whole look looks really flat. I like each of these pieces individually, but pairing them all together just creates a very uncomfortable outfit. And it doesn't suit majority of the people. You need to have a certain type of body to be able to pull off this look. To make this outfit more balanced, I added an oversized blazer on top and switched my delicate loafers to some chunky boots. You can also wear one of those chunky loafers for this outfit. The whole point that I'm trying to say is I just added some chunkiness on top and my shoes to kind of balance the slim fitting pants. That was it, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you agree with these styling mistakes. I would like to know your opinion and learn from you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.